Students, as we just came to know that obesity or the overweight, it can lead to the various kind of health issues. So prevention is better than cure. For preventing this problem in adults, as basically it might be observed more in adult, in children also it is observed, but here we are just dealing with the topic how can we prevent it in adults. So it is just given there that whenever the person is having meal, there should be 5 to 6 serving of vegetables and fruits should be there in their diet. Then when they are choosing the whole grain food, they should avoid what I can say highly processed foods like refined flour it is there, sugar is there, saturated fat is there, that should be avoided. Rather whole grain or the multigrain food stuffs should be used. Those food stuff which have a lot of energy or the lot of calories, that should be avoided. And those beverages or the cold drinks or the market drinks which are available which have a lot of sugar, that should be avoided. uh, Jaggery is comparatively more healthy as compared to that of the regular white sugar which we consume, so jaggery can be taken or honey can be taken as substitute to sugar. Other strategies for prevention, that involves 60 minutes of physical activity per day is for Asian people. And as I have told you that brisk walking, that means walking with a particular speed, jaldi jaldi chalna, jogging, hiking, bicycling or gardening. It should be done 30 minutes. That means you have to do regularly for the proper body weight, and it should be of moderate intensity. Doesn't mean you have to just put a lot of effort कि बहुत जल्दी जल्दी करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा करना है. No, with the moderate, that is medium intensity, you should do that. Now after that, 15 minutes of work related activity, like you are carrying the heavy loads, like you can do household stuffs, climbing the stairs, you're walking over the stairs. Then 15-minute muscle strengthening exercise, like 3 to 4 times in a week you can do certain activity in which strength of muscles are needed. Inactive people should start slow and gradually. This line is written here, that means suppose if the person is saying that he or she hasn't done a lot of work in the past, so they should move on to this activity but slowly. That means at initial level they can go for the 10 minutes, they can go for the 5 minutes, here again they can do for 5 minutes, here they can do once in a week for 5 to 10 minutes. That means they should move to the things but slowly, step by step. Then next thing is that the food industry, you can see in food industry, just to gain profit they are selling anything at the name of taste, at the name of brand, that is happening. But they should work over the nutritional facts which are there. How it can be done? By reducing those things which help, which tend to increase in obesity, like HFF, HFSS आपने पढ़ा था, high fat, salt and sugar content, it should be reduced. Then all the nutrients should be added of the desirable thing. Suppose if someone is purchasing something, so it should have a particular nutritious content in that, and it should be healthy also for person. Like you can see here, suppose someone is sharing selling, sorry, someone is selling biscuits, so you can just see certain biscuits are there which are recommended for diabetic patient, like they are having meager or zero sugar content, while others which are regularly sweetened and they mention that this is a regular biscuit. So that kind of choices can be made कि particular person with a particular problem can choose a different brand as per the need of their body. And during the marketing of any of the product, those things should be restricted while selling those which have excess of sugar or salt or fat, because teenagers and children do not know that this thing is not good for their body. They just go for the taste and they just consume those things. And it should be ensured that healthy food choices should be present in their diet plan, and regular physical activity should be done even in the workplace also. Like suppose most of the people spend their 5 to 6 hours or more than this time in their workplace, so at that time also certain activity should be done. The same thing is told here, prevention is better than cure. Now we are coming to the dietary management. That means how can we control our overweight through our diet. First of all, you have to look over these points which will help you in reducing the weight. You can just try out these things in any of the family member or any of the friend who would be having excessive weight, and just check out how it works. First of all, you have to plan a particular diet for that individual as per their age group and their lifestyle, whether they are sedentary or extremely active or whatsoever. Then physical activity should be increased, and whatsoever they are spending in sedentary lifestyle, they are sitting at a place, that should be reduced. Behavior modification, that means they should become active, alert, enjoying the things, just following the good things. So such behavior modification should also be done. Now here it is written behavior contributing to both dietary intake and as well as physical activity. That means they should not be choosy that I will take those food which are delicious, and rather they are avoiding those food stuffs which are healthy. So they should make healthy choices in terms of behavior, as well as their behavior should be healthy while performing the physical activity. Doesn't mean that they have done on one day and on the second day they have denied for doing that. So that should be avoided. Objective for just planning diet for the overweight and obesity, इसका हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है? First of all, to reduce the weight, but not suddenly, but gradually. Like one day it has reduced certain grams, then on the another day certain more. It should not be कि आज आपका 60 है कल 50 हो जाएगा. Nothing like that. Gradually reduction, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके reduction होना होगा. Then preventing muscle loss and other nutritional deficiency. It doesn't mean that the person has gone to the diet and they have just restricted the diet of protein also, which will reduce and cause the muscle loss. That should be avoided. And even it should be avoided that essential nutrients are getting deficient in the body. That should be avoided. And we should maintain the particular patient to maintain a desirable body weight. And because these people could have negative behavior pattern, that pattern should be changed into positive form. Like their diet, they should follow healthy diet, and lifestyle management, that means they should follow active lifestyle, and which can just break the stigmas in them that they are overweight, or they are victim of obesity and they